Here it is, the vintage Kenmore automatic heater. It's time to give this thing a test. Looks like that's some paint on there. It is dirty as hell, and I think it's going to need a blow job. I'm going to wipe the cabinet down, and then we'll see if it works. So let me get the compressor fired up and see if I can blow some of that crap out. Just wiped the case down and blew it out with compressed air. You can see the label on it here with all of the information. Let's see if it even works. When I blew this out with compressed air, the fan blade tried to turn. I guess that's a little bent there. I should try to bend back a little bit. Oh, that's better. The handle folds down like that, or picks up, and it gives you a weird, like the center of gravity on it isn't that great. But anyway, let's give it a shot. Definitely going to want the watt meter for this. So it's all plugged in, but I have not applied power yet, and I'm going to do that now, and we'll see if it blows up. Okay, so far so good. No wattage. 114 volts. Seems to be pretty accurate based on that. And I guess we'll give it a shot. 930. I feel air, and I could see the fan moving. I feel warmth. Holy crap, it works. So this is on the 1000 watt setting. Wow, that really moves some air. That really moves air. Very quiet. That is really fucking nice. Oh, here, I even have my temp gun here. Just happened to. What are we reading? 120, up to 120 coming out the vent at the top. The heating elements are certainly 200 and change. Wow, what a nice even heat that is. That's just on 1000 watts. Thermostat is at the lowest setting, so I don't know if that actually works. It may just be too cold in the house. We're pulling 885 watts. This is what they call a space heater. Holy shit, this thing works nice. Wow. Let me shut the lights. I just want to see if these tubes actually glow. Yes, they do. Cool. All right, let's try the next highest setting. Looks like 1320. Oh yeah, we went up. It's a far cry from 1320 at 1060 or so. I see some more glowing. I feel more warmth, that's for sure. This just has to get like the old smell out of it, but man, what a fucking heater this thing is. This thing is just too fucking peachy. Yeah, it's only pulling 1050. That's really interesting. Plug is ice cold. My wire, which is not of a small enough gauge, is a little warm, but just a little bit. And what we have now, 130, 150 I saw. Yeah, 375 or so I saw. There we are. Definitely belting out the fucking heat with almost no noise at all. Let's see what that looks like with the lights off. Oh yeah, we're definitely glowing more brightly now. That's for sure. Wow, is that ever freaking nice? Just this soft warmth that's coming out of this. Very, very, very pleasant. 1060-ish watts. Put the lights back on and we'll try for 1500. Like I said, we'll try for 1650. Oh, that was 1220. Okay, yeah. I can read stuff. Can't turn the knob. Oh, did you see that? Look. It has a tip-over switch. Looks like a neon bulb, too. Yeah, when I do that, it definitely goes down, so it would cut out. Let's try with this hand, maybe. There we go. Oh, yeah. Now they both lit up. Now we're using 1340 or so. Very brightly lit. $400 and change, I read. Oh, it's cooking now. I knew... Woof. I knew that when I did this, I was going to get that old smell coming out of that, and I said, oh, I'm going to smell that for the rest of the day. Ugh, just like it gets in your nose and stays there kind of thing. But yeah, I mean, let this thing cook for an hour or so outside or something. Yeah. Well, 1650 is a far cry from 1360. But, oh yeah, that's really nice. Let us go and shut the lights and see what it looks like. Oh, it's a toaster. Cool. Oh yeah. That is gorgeous. My parents had a Presto, still have a Presto, that had like 5 wires that went across the top and the bottom, and it had a switch. You could turn one section off and leave the other on, so you'd have one or both on, or just shut it off and have nothing, of course. Yeah, let me put the lights back on and we'll wrap this up. Well, actually, on second thought, I don't know if you could see, I'm just going to turn the thermostat. Oh yeah, look at that. So maybe the thermostat does work? Oh yeah, it sure does, and man, does that ever light up quick. Let's see if I could just get it at the cusp there. Yeah. So I guess everything on it works. Damn, what a hell of a nice heater this is. I am sure glad I took this thing. Man, oh man. It's big, it's bulky, it's freaking heavy. But man, does it ever work fucking nice. Anyway, let's go ahead and shut this off. See the fan spin down. Doesn't even need to be oiled. Damn. Wow. So I don't know what booster element means. Maybe the second one? I don't know. The Kenmore automatic heater from, I think, the 1960s. Definitely is the most awesome heater in my collection, without a doubt. I'm definitely glad I took this. Hope you enjoyed watching. So thank you for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.